Special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us these LED wall sconce. Let's unbox them and show you what you get here. So, nice little instruction set right on top. Then some double-sided tape, some screws if you want to wall mount it. An included USB-C cable for charging because this is rechargeable. And then here is the mount. So that's what I said. You could use either these 2 screws or the double-sided tape. The choice is yours. And little magnetic plate here. And then here is, whoa, it's already on. Is that it for the box? Yep, that's it for the box. So this is the light. Looks like it's, wow, that's nice and easy. Just tap and it turns on. But this would be great for reading at night. And of course, this part just kind of magnetizes onto there, and then you'd be able to just tap your light to cut it on and tap your light to cut it off. Very, very nice. Now you could also use this if you wanted to. Just put it on there like so, and then you just tap it to cut it on, tap it to cut it off. Very, very nice. Right here is your USB-C port for recharging the battery inside of here. Love, love, love the wood finish, and it's nice and easy to cut on and off. Very, very nice. What a great product. Well, there we go. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send me this LED wall sconce. Would be perfect for reading at night, perfect for maybe at your desk for when you're working early in the mornings and you don't want a full light on. At the end of the day, a great little rechargeable LED wall sconce light. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.